Cue the montage. Cue the montage. Get you some of that.
What's going on this morning, guys? So today we're up at Prestige Motorsports doing a tune on a Holley Sniper. It's on a, I don't know, looks like Dodge D100 to me. Either way, it's got a Mopar in it. I don't know, 318, 340, probably one of those two. And either way, these guys said it just runs bad, can't get it. It's just barely running. So it's got a Sniper 1 on it with a Hyperspark. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a timing table for it. We're going to fix all the handheld issues. And if you guys have ever done one of these, the handhelds are junk. The handheld tunes don't. They're terrible. So flip you around here. We'll do a little walk around. So here it is. Little long bed truck. Looks like it's a 2-wheel drive. The duck. It's cool, this whole fire truck. So, oh, 4-wheel drive truck. My bad. I didn't see any hubs on it, so, but I guess they don't have no hubs. That's odd. Here's the interior. Got a recovered seat. So, either way, just your run-of-the-mill old Dodge. So, you know why Dodges are so tall? So you can weed eat underneath them.
Damn!
Alright, so like I said, 318 or 340. I think it's a 318 truck. I'm no specialist on the Dodge stuff, and it's on the side of the block. I do know over here on the passenger side, but I'm not gonna crawl around and figure it out for nobody. So like I said, it does have Hyperspark on it, so we will verify timing, and once timing's verified, we'll start it up and do all that stuff and see where we're at. Hopefully we get this done. It'll be better than ever before. Customer will be happy and we'll get paid. I went ahead and upgraded the Sniper to V2, and I pulled the old global file off of the ECU, looked it all over, and like normal, the global file straight from the handheld is trash. So I went through it, turned all the 2D tables on from simple to 2D, and modified them, made them look where I think they need to be at, and from there we're going to start it up and play around with it, especially in timing and stuff, but it ought to be real close. And either way, so we're gonna sit here and go ahead and so we're gonna go file, ECU, sorry, global configurations. We're gonna upload to ECU. Alright, that's done. We gotta turn the ignition off. Let's just turn our monitors on so I can see things. Alright. Alright, so what we found so far with tuning this deal is the timing was negative on the engine. We set the static timing 15 degrees and checked it, and it was at like -1 degrees. So that's what we're dealing with on that. And so now we found a bad injector. Alright, so here's what we got going on. You look down in here, I don't know how well the lighting can show. So you can see fuel dribbling out of all these. And you get the rest of it right here. There's nothing coming out of it. So that's what we're going to go with, is that currently this one is an issue. So I got to take this cover off right here, 2 Allen heads, and see what's going on with it. I'll get back to you when I find it. We don't know if it's unplugged or what, but it's not firing. So we're going to take the TBI apart and look, see what's going on with it. Plug was on it. They are chintzy though.
Oh dude, they're bad.
Yeah. So
I guess you can try to power it with the power probe and see if it'll click.
yeah. I mean, it's one of these cheap Holley injectors, and they're known for being junk.
That's
Yeah.
We can take the power probe and see if it'll tick tick.
Okay.
Sometimes they literally just get wiggled wrong. What? It's not wet. Is it wet down in there?
Well, it's because the fuel comes through the cover, and when you pull it off, it just leaks over everything.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Stinking snippers.
Terminator throttle body's the same way.
Clicked. Sounds like it's clicking.
Okay. Yep. How did the?
Oh god, I forgot how junk those are.
Yeah, they're junk.
Are the ends inside it look okay?
I haven't looked at anything, to be honest.
Too bad you can't run it.
Yeah.
You'll probably plug it back in and it'll just work. Right?
Yeah, that's about how my life goes. Pull it apart, get all smell like fuel, and
I mean, I hope it works.
yeah, we'll try it.
We know it works.
Yep. Let's go fire it up and see how that works. Alright, so that's going to conclude this little mini episode of Chaos Builds. unfortunately, we pulled the injector out that was stuck closed. We powered it. We got to click a few times, and then we back purged it with carb cleaner and everything. And we clicked it a few more times, and then it just stuck open. And now we can't get it to close back, so we're gonna have to contact the owner and get injectors for it. This thing ain't got no miles on it. That's literally why it's here. They've been struggling to get it to run right, and obviously between it being 16 degrees at a time and the one stuck injector closed, we found out why they were having such a hard time getting it to run. So either way, thank y'all for checking it out. Catch y'all in the next one.